Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can close your Wise account permanently. First, log into your Wise account. Click on the drop-down menu with your account name. Once you're on the account settings page, scroll all the way down until you find the option Close Your Account. Before you continue, Wise recommends downloading any statements, receipts, or reports you might need, since you won't be able to access them after closing the account. When you're ready, click Start Account Closure. Wise will then ask you a few questions like why you're closing your account. For example, you might simply select, I no longer need this account. They'll also show you what happens when you close it. For instance, your Wise debit card will be deactivated, your details for receiving payments will no longer work, and your payment request links will stop functioning. So make sure everything is in order before moving forward. If you're sure about closing your account, click Close Account. Finally, Wise will ask you to enter your password to confirm it's really you. Once you do that and click Done, you should see a confirmation page showing that your account has been successfully closed. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.